Easy Trip Planners made a stock market debut on March 19, 2021. The company had raised 510 crore through initial public offering (IPO) by issuing shares at price of rupee of 104.23 per share and listing gain of 13.5%. To be sure, Easy Trip is strong on fundamentals. It has reported steady improvement in financials over the years, with revenues rising 19% annually during financial year 18 to 20, EBITDA rising 105% and net profit growing 129% annually during the same period. Despite high working capital, its balance sheet looks strong with zero debt. Easy Trip Planners Limited has given one bonus since February 28, 2022. The last bonus that Easy Trip Planners Limited announced was in the ratio 1:1 with ex-bonus date of February 28. For the year ending March 2022, Easy Trip Planners has declared an equity dividend of 50% amounting to 1 Indian rupee per share. Easy MyTrip provides travel agents access to its website to book domestic airline travel ticket in order to cater to the offline travel market in India. The company is engaged in the business of providing reservation and booking services related to travel and tourism through Ease MyTrip portal, Ease MyTrip app or in-house call center. The management believes there is a huge amount of pent-up demand for travel and tourism, especially now that a majority of people have been vaccinated and people are waiting to go out on family holidays. Once the situation normalizes and is under control, the management anticipates that there is huge opportunity lying ahead and the company is ready to grab market share and grow exponentially. Explaining the rationale, it said that the company and its subsidiaries have grown significantly, in terms of business and performance, over the years. This is reflected in the share price of the company. As and when the stock price rises further, it will be increasingly difficult for small potential shareholders to partake in the company's future. Keeping with the spirit of inclusion and in order to reward the shareholders, the board of directors of the company are scheduled to meet on Monday, October 10, 2022 for considering the proposal for issue of bonus shares and subdivision or split of shares. Currently, Easy Trip Planners has a face value of 2 rupees per share. With a view to have more participation from the investors in the scrip and increase liquidity of the shares of the company, the board recommends the subdivision of existing paid-up share capital of the company. A stock split is generally undertaken to make the stock more affordable to small retail investors and increase liquidity. It refers to splitting the face value of shares, in which the number of shares of the company increases but the market capitalization stays the same. Existing shares split, but the underlying value remains unchanged. As the number of shares increases, the price per share goes down. Earlier, during financial year 2021-22, Easy Trip Planners issued bonus shares in the ratio of 1:1. 1 bonus share for every 1 share held in the company. Bonus shares will be issued out of free reserves created out of profits of the company available as at March 31, 2022. Free reserves of 1,303,740,000 Indian rupees is required for implementing the bonus issue. As on March 31, 2022, the balance of 1,963,114,701 Indian rupees is available in free reserve account. Subdivision or split of each existing equity share of face value of rupees 2 only into 2 equity shares of face value of rupee 1 only fully paid up. Issue of 3 bonus equity shares for every 1 fully paid up equity share. Increase in authorized share capital from 750 million Indian rupees to 2 billion Indian rupees. Pre-bonus paid up share capital of 434,580,000 Indian rupees. Divided into 217,290,000 equity shares of 2 each. Post-bonus paid-up share capital of 1,738,320,000 Indian rupees. Divided into 1,738,320,000 equity shares of 1 Indian rupee each. Post considering the split of shares into 1:2 subject to shareholders' approval or post-bonus paid-up share capital of 1,738,320,000 Indian rupees. Divided into 869,160,000 equity shares of 2 Indian rupees each pre-spilt. For Keep in Tech to subscribe this channel.